A 2021 and 2024 Silverado. These are owned by a father and son. We started off doing the dad's truck. That's the 2024. That one we did our long travel kit in the front. We did custom finish king shocks. We did a 2.5 coilover and 3.0 bypass, as well as a 2.5 smooth body in the rear. Got Fiberworks fiberglass front and rear. Wheels are 17 by 9 Innovate G600s, wrapped in 37, 1350, 17 Toyo Open Country MTs. The 2021 also got the same long travel kit and king shock package, as well as Fiberworks glass. The 2024 got a custom front bumper with a valance, and the 2021 has our production front bumper. Both trucks have our plate rear bumper as well as our hitches. The tires and wheels on the 2021 are 17 by 9 KMC KM444 forged and 37 1350 17 Toyo Open Country MTs. For more information on any of these products or any others, check out our website at dirtking.com, and make sure you check us out on Instagram at dirtking.